my little greenhouse at the side of the garage. There's mainly just elephant garlic in there at the moment, and there's some plants at the back, some seedlings growing on. I have some purple flowering broad beans here, and some garlic that was from last year. My pear tree was glorious in flower, but now the flowers have died. Sorry about this, it's because I'm at the front of the house. Let's see my little greenhouse. Sorry about the wind, but the other camera is not working. The one with, I put the mic on. This, you can see, ooh, you can see here is the porch and the fence that we did. I am now standing in front of the garage, and I've moved back to the garage, and you can see we've now got a driveway next to my broad beans. This middle bit we've done. It's not fully planted up yet, there's some things in there. This is a large bed, very large bed. Going to be quite a few different things in there. There's a concrete circular one there that I'll have blueberries in. There's a red currant here, and I want a black currant over there. I think this is strawberry corner because, oh no it isn't, because I've got these crops that I got last year. One just got compost in, the other is in the garage. Oh, wind. That is lettuce and spinach. Here, loads and loads of strawberries, and I think I saw a flower on here. Yes, and there's a little flower. Similar to the strawberry tower, I've got a flower tower, but it's got lettuce at the top as well, and a fuchsia there. I've got buckets of potatoes down there, and these you've seen before. The two end ones have got broad beans in, and the middle one is potatoes. I have potatoes all the way down there, overwintering onions and shallots here, and onions all the way down there, and a snapdragon that overwintered, two actually. My garage, the back of my house, well, the back door, and there. This is why I haven't been doing much for YouTube channel. Yeah, there's a lot of work still left to be done, but I can't do it all at once. I can only do it for a few hours every day. That's what I have been doing. So I haven't been sewing for quite a while, but this is just to show you how it's coming along. Sorry about the wind, but this is where I like to spend time looking and just looking around at all the space I have now got for growing stuff in. Yes, I know the wind's bad, and I'm sorry about that. I've got plants out here as well as in my porch. They're little seedlings, and I've planted some seeds. And inside in my seedlings. I've got some melons here, celeriac, celery, herbs, and I've got seeds, sweet corn and that type of thing. But this is my favourite place to be because I can always stand in here. And you can hear me talk now. But if I'm outside by the fence and the gate, I can look around at all my growing space, apart from a little bit at the front that you can't see. And I've still got the back. Let me show you the back. This bed I planted up with dahlias I have grown this year from seed. Yes, that needs clearing up. Lurch has been heavily pruning the apple tree since he's done the pear tree. There isn't much in the ground at the moment, but this is more or less the growing space for the back. Sorry if I'm spinning you around too much. My back growing space. So I should grow a lot of food this year. Thank you. Bye.